Check. Okay, okay, hello everyone. This is JJ from STBB. Okay, so yeah, maybe just to start this analysis or start this streaming with a joke. I mean, it's a silly joke. So yeah, so what actually happened is that just now I was actually streaming on this trading view, and then what actually happened was that I didn't even notice that I have not actually clicked the start streaming button. So I was like talking to the air for the whole of last 15 minutes or so. Yeah, so anyway, yeah, it's silly of me not to have realized that. But yeah, anyway, I'm doing this live stream all over again. So yeah, I'll be covering the same usual thing, the USD, and then after that, I will also be covering the analysis that I have made the last week, and also what will be coming up for this week for us to trade on. Okay, so without further ado, I think we should proceed ahead with the calendar and the calendar forex factory. Okay, so the US. I mean, on the same day itself, for Thursday, we do have a GDP news from the England side. Okay, so these are the high impact news that we have, and then other than that, not much on Friday. Friday, maybe if let's say if you are trading on the UN, or you are trading on let's say Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, then yeah, it will be quite impactful for you to I mean, you need to take note of the UN, or rather the Chinese news. Okay, news that's coming out from China side. Okay, the CPI news. Okay, so yeah, of course, the CPI news for the US side is important because of the inflation. Right now, the theme of the market is more the inflation, the interest rate, and all that. So yeah, this will be a key news release for you to take note of. Okay, so let's move uh, of this what you call that, calendar, to the yeah, to this. Okay, so for the currency pair, this week I will be covering mainly on the, of course, for the main currencies, the USD, and then after which I will be covering some other pair. But before moving on to that, let me go back to what I have mentioned the last week. Okay, so last week I did mention about pound dollar. So pound dollar, of course, there should be some decent pullback. I mean, in terms of last week, and then I think it came after Wednesday. After Wednesday, right? Then there's some pullback. So of course, if you are thinking of going on long last week, in the start of the, Monday, of course, you need to look at setup for you to go along. So there isn't any setup for you per se on Monday itself. Tuesday it just start to consolidate, and then Wednesday start to break out from that consolidation. So after which, this could be a consolidation that you can take a look at for you to go on the long side. Okay, then yep, that's how you can approach this pair. And then for the other pair, like I mentioned about this New Zealand cat. So New Zealand cat, it has just started off this new breakup for the upside. And then let's just go back to the chart. New Zealand cat. Okay, so New Zealand cat wise, yeah, you will definitely see that this is a downtrend, and there's this downtrend line that is in play. And then of course, on the daily time, this on the daily time frame. So if we were to drop down to the 4 hourly, then we do see that after a consolidation, there's this first push, and then there's this correction. That this is where I mentioned about this where, yeah, I mentioned about it pulling back down a little. Yeah, have some healthy retracement before it will go up again in my this sharing of my ideas over here. So I was saying it might pull back, or it might also just consolidate and break up. So yeah, it indeed did some pullback all the way until Wednesday before it actually bounces off at this area, right? So once it bounce off, it break up. This is the place where you can go on long. Okay, so that's the second leg. So I am expecting the next leg to be coming in for this, so that it will touches here, and then maybe you can start to look for shorting opportunity again. But of course, no doubt anything can happen in trading. It might also just keep pushing up further, having a fourth leg, fifth leg going up, right? So that's trading. So anything can happen. Just anticipate something that might be happening over here. It might not, but yeah, just keep an open mind what will be happening. Don't be too fixated on saying that okay, it's coming to this, definitely it's going to reject this level, and then I'm going to short at the top, or whatnot. So yeah, just let the price action play out, and then act accordingly to what the price action tell you. Okay, so yeah, going back to the okay, let me just check if I'm streaming. Okay, I think we're streaming. Okay, then coming back to the USD. So yep, for USD, on the daily time frame, you can see that it is quite a steep uptrend without much of the correction. You see, after 3 days it corrected. Then there's this three bar reversal over here, and then yeah, I think there should be, or there must be some some trader, or maybe a lot of the trader actually looking to pick the top, so to speak. Okay, so they will be looking at this, okay, it is going to come down, then the short, and if you are late in the game, then probably you'll be sort of engulfed by this outward move by the bull. So this three bar reversal over here, if let's say you are bullish, and sorry, if you are bearish and then you want to continue shorting it, then yeah, you see the price action going reverse, where you're going reverse to where you are actually intending to trade it on. Okay, okay. So for this week wise, I mean for the couple of days before, it has actually sort of forming a quite a topish pattern, I would say, or maybe it is a head and shoulder, I don't know. It's just see what will happen after this, right? So maybe it will be coming, this is still a higher high, it might come down, and then it goes up, then come down again to complete this head and shoulder. But yeah, on the higher time frame wise, it is still looking pretty strong. So yeah, it's a mix unless this area 10560, 10580, this zone, right? Let me just draw it here. This is taken out, and then basically it's forming something like this. If it's breaking down, then if it could pull back, of course, not every time it will pull back to here, to the reaction zone. It might really slip down all the way and then come to a certain place. Yeah, I mean the main idea is that it will retrace, and that is where you should be looking to short. And for now, it's a bit still, yeah, 50-50. If let's say you want to have a shot on this. Okay, but of course, if you are at lower time frame, then yep, you can maybe wait for the pullback for it to go on short and things like that. Lower time frame meaning that maybe M15 or whatnot. Okay, so this on the USD, and then I am thinking that if let's say this is this move of USD coming down, retracing, is materialized in this coming days or this coming week, then probably for the US dollar CAD will be one of the pair that I'm looking at to short. Okay, okay, this is the one. Then for the others, yeah, maybe as time to come, it's also possible. Then other than that, I'm also looking at Euro Aussies. So Euro Aussies, this is you can see that maybe daily time frame is easy to see. So this is a uptrend that you can look at it, and then it is actually holding this uptrend line, and then it is actually maybe it's consolidating orders over here. Yeah, accumulating orders over here for it to move up higher. So that's what I think. It might have a breakout, and then it will continue going upwards from here on. Okay, that's what I think. Or it can also just collapse from here on. Okay, so if it collapse from here on, then of course the long-term trend of this Euro Aussies is most likely gone, and then probably you can be looking at more bias to the short side. Okay, so before last week actually, that this is actually on the downtrend, but of course it's not so obvious as compared to pound Aussies. Pound Aussies will be a better pair for you to go on short if let's say you were bearish on it, and of course pound New Zealand also. Okay, so these are all the pair: pound Aussies, pound Aussies, pound New Zealand dollar, euro New Zealand dollar, euro Aussies. These are the ones that are pretty related, and then that's why I actually group them together, because um, if let's say for example, if I'm bullish on this, then I will need to look at some other pair. I mean, these other pair, are they also bullish as well, especially for let's say pound Aussies, and also of course some other Aussies dollar crosses. I will also take a look at them, so to give me a better picture. Okay, so next, I'm actually going to share a bit more on this Aussie dollar Swiss franc. Yeah, so Aussie dollar Swiss franc, you can see that on the daily time frame, this is a shitty chart. Shitty as in it's just basically going down lower and lower and lower. So of course, every down move there's an up move. Every down move there's an up move. So down, then this is an up. It actually in fact clear this, and then you might be thinking this is starting a new uptrend, but no, it is coming down. Then this is again coming up to it retraces all the way up to this level. So this level, we can see that last week or so, yeah, last week or so, it just came down. So I did some selling over here as well, because of this level, and because of course the whole downtrend is I mean this whole trend is coming down, downwards, right? So as for now, this is what you will see. So yeah, this trend line is also broken. So for me, I would be more biased to shorting this Aussie Swiss franc. So this Aussie Swiss franc, if let's say it's coming down, then of course it is align with what I mentioned about Euro Aussies. Remember Euro Aussies, if Euro Aussies is weak, then of course Euro Aussies will go up. Then in this case, if Aussies dollar is weak, Aussies dollar Swiss franc will go down. Okay, so this is what I want to share about Aussie Swiss franc. Then of course, if let's say both of the trade you have you go on short, and what the other one go on long, then that might be a double but of course, I mean that can um, give you double profit, or maybe both of them also go wrong. I mean that's another story to say. But yeah, but the thing is, of course, you're trading against Swiss franc and euro. They might be of different strength for the next few days or the next few weeks. Yeah, no, nobody know about that. But yeah, that's what I wanted to share on Aussie Swiss franc. Then the last one that I wanted to share is on S&P, okay, SPX, or people call it Spider or stuff like that. So okay, so S&P wise, yeah, this long term uptrend is still intact, and that's where we see a engulfing candle. So we do have a down bar, and then this on Tuesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, both of them are quite you can call it an inside bar, or they're just small bar. And then for Friday itself, after the non-farm pay, you do see that initially it came down. If let's say we go down to the lower time frame, yeah, you can see that initially after the news it actually did came down, and then after which it pulled back all the way up. So this could be a sign of bullishness in terms of the S&P. So yeah, if we were to look at it on the 4 hourly, then of course it might be a double bottom that it could be pushing it up. So for this bullish move to be successful, right, I think it needs to be able to clear this four three hundred to four hundred area. Yeah, this area, of course, I think it's very prominent here. So this is where you get your head and shoulder. This is the shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, and then basically the price actually came down. Okay, so if we were to make a measured move, right? If let's say for example, if this uptrend line, which I mentioned just now, never hold, okay, so 6% down, it should be also be able to come down another 6%, this measured move. Okay, so maybe it will start to consolidate over here before the market actually do a turn up. But yeah, trading is not so direct as well. So that's just a calculation that we can do, because if let's say this is the measured move 6%, then probably 6% down will be here. If you have that's textbook textbook theory lah. Okay, so of course if let's say there are news that changes the market dynamic and market price action, then of course things will change as well. So right now we can take a look, see whether this area can be cleared. If it's cleared, then probably it might go up higher. Okay, so that's all for this week, and hope that you all learned something new. And then if you can, please do like and share this video. Thank you.